Did y'all milk goats at Acorn?
Yeah, I used to milk goats like twice a day, most days for 3 years.
Nice.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, the goats have always been something that like the whole community out here has really like shared all the labor on. Is everything out there green? Yeah. This is like so fun for me to be videotaped while milking. So now we will take them out to pasture. River. I'm gonna go this way. They're gonna go that way.
They're gonna walk along the water?
For a ways.
Hey, goat friend. We got more goat friends coming up behind. Guess we gotta go this way. Do they always start in the same place?
No, not necessarily. Yeah, but this is a pretty average place to start. This is about as far out as they go.
It's nice with the misty mountains.
Yeah, kind of. There are 2 shifts in the day.
So somebody walks around with them for 4 hours and then someone else shows up to replace them. The goats are out for 8 hours.
8 hours.
And then they come back in. They don't go back on the in-between.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a big part of being out here is chilling while they chew their cud.
And they go in at dark.
4:30.
4:30.
And dark as
They know that.
Yeah.
They know 4:30.
Yeah. Because they stay out here with me until I start heading back around 4.
Okay.
Yeah.
So around 4, I just start walking that way. Not along the river, but along the inside. Okay.
But they might head back on their own before then.
They might be like, this human might be stupid.
Thank you so much.
See you later. Hey, hello. Here I am at the Rainforest Lab with goats. There's goats back there. Yeah. Hi. For 8 hours every day, the goats get to go out into the world and eat the many things. The many things are all around us. The goats are very excited because the rainy season has started. Now all of the leaves have delicious, fresh, wet dew upon them, which is an appealing thing, I guess, if you're a goat. Man, now I hear the rain coming from the other direction. So this gentle sprinkle is coming from over there. And then, that sounds noisy. I hear it in the trees. Those trees are getting wet. I'm about to get wet. Let's see what we can do about this. That was well timed. We're all dry. We're dry under the tarp. That's what tarps are for. Yeah! So the goats have definitely decided that they want to go home. I was told the goats leave to go home around 4 and we get there around 4:30. But because I assume it's raining and it's the first real day it's rained of the rainy season, the goats are like, oh, fuck this. Why are you the bad human? The bad human that makes the bad rain fall from the sky. That's me. Me, personally, the bad human, who is probably responsible for this rain business, and I don't know what to do about it. But damn, human, you fucked up. On the right side, we can just go home, I guess. Look at me balefully. That one? It's those ones, I think, who are taking everyone home. It's hard to tell when they're not your goats. Goats they're herd animals, you know? So, like, there's a specific high-ranking goat that's taking these goats back home because they agree that that's the one that they follow when it just sort of, like, edges slightly into a certain distance. So these goats are being controlled by magic. Herd magic. They're walking. They're done with this bullshit. Fair enough, fucking goats. Fair enough. If I make noises, maybe morning will come and help me. Cuckoo! Yeah, here we go.
Really boring.
Hey, so that was a little taste of the Rainforest Lab, a tiny community outside of Forks, Washington. We'll be posting more videos of Rejoice's travel there in a few weeks. The Rainforest Lab is one of the newest communities in dialogue with the FEC, and they're sort of on the far edge of communes in this movement. Some communities like Twin Oaks are really big and institutional, and others, like the Rainforest Lab, are small groups of people who want to live simply in the forest. What connects all these communities is their commitment to egalitarian sharing, and since you're here, I bet that's something that you care about too, maybe? Rejoice's travel to all these different communities in our movement is supported by our amazing patrons on Patreon. You can click the link in the description if you also want to be a part of our little internet sharing community. I'll see you next time.